Hoy, wait lang, ano yan? Tulay?
Diyan tayo.
Kala ko tulay. Tulay nga ba?
Yes.
It's tulay. Yun o. Bridge. Kala ko naman babalik sila dun. Laki pa pala nito, oh. Huh? Huh? Ay, bike lane? Ano to? Ay, hindi pala.
Bike lane din to. If you see someone biking here, then be careful.
Ah.
If you see someone is also picnic here because it's super chilly here. Saan tayo kain, me? I don't want to eat any expensive food. And also they don't have soups here because it's not I think that walang mobile dito. I can't keep up with that evidence. Caught! Another caught. And another caught. Ang ganda ng cut na yan, ah.
Ganda, no?
Yeah. Ang ganda ng cut.
Maganda din naman ang cut natin.
No, it's not. It's annoying.
Wala, grabe ka naman, anak.
Regrets having that cat. I wish that gray is our cat instead.
Okay lang yan, lalaki pa naman yan.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna grow. Paano natin dalhin sa Bohol?
We'll see.
Ha?
Tingnan natin kung paano.
I wish.
Where's Daddy, Kuya King?
There. It would be something. That grass looks so green.
Ang ganda dito, no? Ha? Ang ganda ng lugar na to. Hindi kayo nagandahan?
In the future, daming building to be built.
Hindi na, kasi pang ano to eh.
Dami na ng gaano.
Ayan na pala, oh. Naka-reserve na. Ayan, oh, lahat. 7. Anong kausap mo?
Wala.
Ang ganda ng message niya. Saan na naman to diretso?
Yan. Okay. To the car.
Bakit? Wala. Hoy, mag-exercise ka. Maganda yun sa ano, katawan.
I'm not a fan of
Basta nalikod na mag-busy pagdating doon. Ha?
Dapat bigyan.
Hmm? Nagpat